Welcome back to Safety Sense. I'm David Young. Today we're going to be talking about GFCIs here in the kitchen of Vermont Electric Cooperative. Most every kitchen has this same device, and this is to protect humans from getting shocked. The purpose of a GFCI outlet is to ensure the electricity that's leaving and going to an appliance is also coming back and returning to the outlet. This is like a school trip. You want to make sure as many kids that leave also return at the end of the day. So what's going out on green is equal to what's returning on the red. You may find them tripped sometimes. They'll look tripped. You'll see this button out. You'll see a light on. Some do not have lights. But the reset button is pushed out. You can reset it just by simply pushing it back in. And it's a good idea in your home to go around and test these every month or so, maybe 2 months. You simply push the test button, push the reset. If it resets, you're good to go. If it doesn't reset, you need to call an electrician and they can replace this receptacle for you. This is David Young, reminding you, don't forget to use your safety sense.